Alright guys, so what's up, welcome back to the channel. And I recently had a conversation with someone, a tutor on EnglishYari.com. It was basically my trial session. And my experience with English Yari has not been really great. The only reason is their customer service. Customer service I didn't find very good. I didn't find the customer service very good. I guess that would be the proper sentence. And as you know, I sometimes upload videos related to spoken English practice on this channel of mine. And yeah, I have been looking forward. I have been uh, focusing on spoken English because why I try to speak English as much as I can, because see, at the end of the day, your spoken English can get better with the help of speaking only. If you practice speaking, then only you can get better at spoken English. Of course, I try to listen to English as well. I try to read English as well. I don't try much of writing as of now, but hopefully I will try it as well, because sometimes I try to do, sometimes I like to do bit of scripting. Uh, it can be related to any what do we say, it can be related to creating any story, or it can be related to any movie or any acting stuff, any short film or anything, right? Because we need scripts. So I generally do not write any scripts for YouTube videos, to be very honest, because I speak whatever is there in my mind. I don't do any scripting. I just speak out spontaneously, right? That's the thing. And yes, I was talking about my experience with the sports yari. No, there is a channel by the sport by the name of Sports Yari on YouTube, where they generally talk about cricket. So I usually watch it. So instead of English yari, I said Sports Yari. No, I'm talking about English yari. So I had a trial session with someone. The tutor's name was Firdaus Hassan, and my experience with that tutor was really good. And we talked about general things. We talked about some life related things, some basically childhood related things, and experiences and incidents related to childhood. Yeah, it was going good. And after that, I didn't subscribe to their main plans. The only reason is their customer service. I didn't find the customer service to be really good, because I had few of the doubts which were not cleared on time. And whenever I even tried to communicate their customer service, whenever I tried to reach out to the customer service through their website, so they were always like, we are not available right now, you can try on our number and stuff like that. I'm not saying it is bad. See, I'm not defaming English area. Of course, it is a beautiful platform where they are giving you an opportunity, where they are allowing you to have an opportunity to talk to different tutors, different English speakers, who can talk to you and who can maybe correct you, who can guide you in order to basically make you a better English speaker. So of course, it is my only complaint is related to their customer service, right? I guess they can work on that. They need to work on this. Apart from that, I guess the platform, the concept is really good. And I might be looking forward to create my own account on this channel, on this platform, I'm sorry. And yes, I might be talking to some of their tutors and having a good conversation. You can see, of course, I will upload some videos. And why I could not upload that video of my trial, uh, the reason is I could not record it properly. Actually, I had my recording on my iPad. I don't know why that particular recording was not saved in my iPad. I really don't know. And even if it would have been recorded, still I guess I would have faced some problem. What problems? Because I tried in the previous couple of recordings where I couldn't hear any audio in those videos. So even if the recording would have been saved, still I guess I could not have been able to listen to the audio. Then what was the point of uploading that kind of video, right? So I've learned something, and now I will, if I ever talk to someone through video chat, I will try to do that chatting, do that conversation on Zoom calls, and by Zoom call, that too on laptop, because of course this call was also on Zoom, but the recording was not of that quality, the audio was not being saved, and even the video was not saved, like I just told you. So my Zoom conversations will be on my laptop only, because on laptop there is an option of recording the entire chat on Zoom. So I guess that it, and I have some sort of experience also on of chatting through Zoom calls. So my future calls, my upcoming video calls will be on Zoom only, so that I can save them and I can upload them. That's all. I guess I won't stretch this video too much, because you also have some limited amount of time. We all have limited time, and time should be respected. There is a saying, if you respect time, time will respect you. So yes, that's 100% true. Alright, so right now I'm signing off from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched it till now, see, these are the things that I want to practice. I want to become completely fluent, man, so that I can speak this language whenever, wherever, and with whosoever I want. I know I have so many mistakes in my spoken English, but it's okay. We are not native English speakers, and we are learning. At least I'm learning. So yeah, let's see. Right now I'm planning of watching maybe an English movie. I'll search which movie should I watch in order to practice my English. At the same time, that movie should have some good content also, so that while consuming that content, my English also gets improved. And for the speaking practice, I guess English Yari is a great platform, and there are other platforms also. You also know the name, like Clappingo, Cambly, and stuff like that. I don't know which platform I will be using for a longer period of time. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. See you in the next video. Tata. All the best.